30 Governor's Trace is located in the beautiful Gulf community of Cat Island, on Ladies Island, South Carolina. This 2260 square foot luxury home is nestled on 0.28 acres of immaculate landscape. It is 2 stories, and is filled with quality features throughout. This home is a wonderful place to entertain family and friends. Gorgeous hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, crown molding, and the easy flowing floor plan make it ideal. The main living area has an attractive fireplace, and is perfect for receiving guests. The formal dining room is spacious and accommodates everyone. The kitchen is equipped with stainless, high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and plenty of prep space on the granite countertops and kitchen island. The pantry also allows for even more storage. The island also is perfect for additional seating arrangements. The screened porch is a fabulous place for relaxing or spending the afternoon. The open porch is nice and open, and is a great spot for enjoying morning coffee. The master suite is conveniently on the first floor. It has private access to the back patio. The room has plenty of natural light with all the windows. The master bath is inviting, with a separate walk-in shower and soaking tub. The 2 other bedrooms and the bonus area are located on the 2nd floor. Cat Island is a favorable community in Ladies Island, South Carolina. Residents enjoy being surrounded by the natural beauty of the land with live oak trees all around, and the beautiful wetlands. The homes in the neighborhood are either golf course or deep water home sites. Cat Island offers a wide array of amenities like an 18-hole public golf course, the South Carolina National Golf Club and the Cat Island Grill. A community fitness center, tennis, and pool are more amenities that homeowners enjoy. Cat Island is moments away from downtown historic Beaufort and Port Royal.